Hello everyone, I'm Vivian. I'm running Sai Gon Holistic Training Group in Vietnam. We invite OMT Training to Vietnam and we have enjoyed a lot of students and we are so happy and the quality of the course. With the OMT Training, you can join with manipulation, with the spinal manipulation, dry needling, and have a lot of things like manual therapy too. I hope you are enjoy with it. Come to us, learn a lot of things and sharing to everyone in your country, on the world. And the quality of the training is the best in Vietnam we ever tried before. Any question, please contact direct to me or Sai Gon Holistic Training Group. Thank you.